guys are enjoying the video so far. If you are, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll let you guys go back and watch the rest of the video.
Two hours later.
Whew. Man, it definitely took a little while to get here, but I needed to get some things off my mind, and well, I hope nobody goes in there after me. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little movie of mine. I don't know, lately I've been in the mood of making movie type videos, something cool, something that takes longer than usual. I know all my other videos don't take as long to make. This video probably took us, check the time, it's 11 right now. We woke up at 5 a.m. and you do the math right there, so it's about 6 hours to make, and that's without editing. So I don't know if you guys are into something like this where it's kind of like a movie, kind of has a story and kind of doesn't, and it ends like this. So I don't know, I just been in the mood to make something like this, put a little bit more effort, make my production good, you know, something different. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and if you guys are not, let me know. And if you guys are, please let me know your feedback if you guys are enjoying it. Leave a like, leave a comment, share, let me know. I just want to know if I should keep doing this or just stop. And don't you think like there's not gonna be any more racing or anything like that. There will be racing very, very soon. I have a lot of races planned, so just stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I'm kind of trying something new, going out of my lane, going out of my comfort zone, and trying to give you guys some good production quality videos. So with that being said, I want to give a quick message out to the dreamers out there that have been told no numerous times, who think their dreams are too big. I'm not the one to preach, but I just want to let you guys know that everything is possible and anything is possible if you just put your mind to it. And that's been said a lot of times by random people, right? But it truly means a lot, especially to me from Michigan, and I'm here making videos and doing what I truly love. I wake up every day happy. I literally cut all ties, everything that didn't make me happy, and I only chose what made me happy, which is why I wake up very happy and I do what I love, which is make videos and just enjoy life. You know, life is too short to not do what you love. Don't matter how young you are, don't matter how old you are, do what you love and be happy doing it. And if you're not happy doing something, and I suggest you just stop doing it, because there's no point in putting your time and effort into something that does not make you happy. So with me saying that, I'm gonna let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for what I got planned up. I have a lot of things planned up. Texas 2K is also coming up, so you guys are gonna catch me with the Hellcat racing, of course. A few mods coming to the Hellcat and a lot more mods coming to the Mustang, so stay tuned for all that, and I will catch you guys on the next upload. Have an awesome day, and don't forget to stay positive. Peace out, and I actually gotta go take a number 2 again. I'm in here.